Welcome back to another round of Exploding Record Roulette. Now, up on the turntable today, we have an Art Tatum record, Hallelujah. And you'll notice, it's a bit of a Batman record. I made an attempt to balance the pieces that were missing. We'll see how close I got. We've got the ever luscious Lori there. We've got our new Discovery 35mm perfectly functional camera. We'll see how long it lasts. You'll notice Sexual Assault Susie. We rebuilt her. Faster, stronger, bigger, with more TV parts. So she's back in the arena. It's back in the arena. Sexual Assault Cyborg, Susie, I think there. And we found another one of our pumpkins that escaped the last roulette rounds, and this one is Ass Crack Ray. You'll know him from the cigarette in his mouth and his ass cheeks in your kitchen floor. This is an ARA record. It is ancient. There will be no need to nuke it with the pellet gun. We're going to go ahead, fire this up. I knew that one wouldn't take much. Let's see the carnage.
You know, it doesn't seem to be. Other than Ass Crack Ray, he disappeared. We might have to look at the footage. I'm not sure it hit anything. I thought it would be a good time to point out the damage in the arena walls, including our first hole, which was done after that last Bakelite record. So, I don't know. Lori's got a bit of a mark on her ear there. I believe she protected the big camera. So, disappointment all around.